Good morning. What's up guys, say hello, I hope everyone is doing great. Today is a very important day, two important tasks to do. First thing, give the Kia Seltos for the first service, done almost 1000 kilometers. And second important task, give this treatment to service as well. Also get the permanent registration plates. So now I am not taking the Seltos to the service center. Kia's driver will be coming and taking it. When you're sending your car for service, do not forget to remove all the important things like my wallet is in the car. आजकल तो वॉलेट से भी important mask. Oh, by the way, how do you guys like the new camera? Full crystal here. Always I can leave it. Hey, mom's insurance. Next important task we'll be doing after getting the car serviced is immediately tomorrow or max day after tomorrow. I have to go and get this car registered. What else? Rare seat में तो कुछ नहीं है. Nothing. Oh yes. I think I've cleared everything. All good. Yeah, let's take this treatment, go give it for service and also get the registration plates fixed. Nice and beautiful sunny day. Hyderabad ka weather always rocks. Lot of dust. I'm little bit late, so I'm not going to do anything now. Anyways, going for service, so look at it, all ganda hai. Classic shouldn't look like this. They should look beautiful all the time. They should be shining. That's one disadvantage. Oh shit, it's looking really bad. Kudos to Triumph, they are taking the bike a little bit late. Actually, it's my mistake. I had to leave by maybe an hour ago. They said, sir, if you're coming so late, it's not gonna work. I said, please sirji, once for today, let's get it serviced. Hopefully I've taken everything. This time the puck I've taken everything. I have my wallet, I have my watch, I have my glare specs, anything else. Mask bhi hai. I think we are good to go. Oi. Arey yaar, I forgot to wear. I didn't forget. I intentionally not wearing a jacket. Not talking about the safety jacket, a general casual jacket as well, because firstly it's hot. Second thing, anyways, I'll be riding in the city, so aaram se chalayenge, no hurry. Only thing is I'm gonna get really tan, like properly. Chalo, almost done. This road is almost done. I think I'm the happiest person to see all this. Hopefully I'll get the bike on the same day. Last time also I went late like this, and then unfortunately I couldn't get my bike serviced. Otherwise, almost 2-3 weeks back I had to get it done. Uncles, wait, uncles. How many of you guys want to listen to the beautiful thump of the street wind? Let's try here. Every time I try, but could you hear that? Maybe use your headphones, because while editing I always hear that beautiful sound on my headphones. If you're listening to it directly on the phone, you might not hear it. The stupid GoPro once again stopped working, so I couldn't vlog anything. Seriously hate the GoPro yaar. Ekdam bakwas. I just reached the Triumph showroom. Okay, I think my cab is here. Okay, cab is here. Going to Inorbit to watch a movie. I have to kill some time, right? Almost 3 to 4 hours. I'm gonna meet Charan, and this is the car. 3714, yes. 4827. Charan is here and we are going to the dark. No problem. No problem.
You have your Sony camera back. Huh?
You need to look closely.
Alpha. Hey, party. ఈరోజు నా చార్జ్ టికెట్లు బుక్ చేపిస్తావే.
His favorite camera on the planet. Hands down. Yes or no?
బండి వస్తుందిరా. బైక్ కావాలి.
By the way, do not wear seat belt. Just parking. Don't give me a hard time in the comments.
See features of Nexon. Do you have this in Seltos, Sonet?
ఎందుకు లేవు?
ఇట్లా
అది ఉన్నవే ఫీచర్లు దాంట్లో తప్ప ఏం లేవు దాంట్లో.
కాన్స్టెంట్ రిమైండర్.
By the way, today I gave first service Seltos. రెండు బండ్లు actually my street twin and the Seltos.
స్ట్రీట్ విన్ 10,000 అదొక 10,000.
Hey, street twin free service. Oh, no. Street twin free service ne. Actually I got a bill for Seltos. You know how much?
5,000?
No. 0.12 rupees. Free service. They'll just top up the engine oil, brake fluid, all these things. That's it.
లేబర్ వేస్తారే 2,000-3,000.
Free anta.
ఏదో కొడుతుంది.
They are using Sriman Kotaru Oyo coupon. A7S3.
కొనను ఆలోచిస్తున్నా.
A7S3.
ఫోన్ వాడదాము.
A7S3.
A7 III కొంటా, రిపేర్ చేయించి వాడతా. సెకండ్ కెమెరా.
You know what? I borrowed money from dad. I said I'll give him back next month.
అన్ని కారు, బైక్,
అన్ని డాడీ మీదకే.
అన్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆయనకి.
ఇచ్చేస్తా డాడీ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ పక్కా.
కెమెరా ఫీడ్బ్యాక్.
Not yet. I didn't see it proper in low light. Like midnight yesterday, I was vlogging outside in the lawn. Whoa. నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్. ఐఫోన్ పెడితే లిటరలీ ఐ కాంట్ సీ ఎనీథింగ్. స్ట్రీట్ విన్ ఏదే అని ఎత్తుకుతున్నా దాంట్లో నుంచి. ఇది స్లోమో 120 FPS లో ఇట్ ఇస్ సో బ్రైట్.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం when I'm going to Safari I'll take your camera.
I'll take it and go, but you need a better lens on this. That lens, the lens you're asking about, you're talking about that lens. 400mm lens. G Master is gonna cost
15 lakhs or
15 lakhs. 13 lakhs.
Minimum. Take loan from uncle.
13 lakhs లోన్ ఇవ్వరా? బండి వస్తుందిరా.
అరే ఇక్కడ
దీంతో కూడా బండి వస్తుంది.
పార్కింగ్ లేదు కానీ.
By the way, what are we doing? We're watching a movie. That anyways we're doing, but we're watching a movie with my third wife. For today,
no, I'm not.
For today, second. Other wives are very busy these days.
Busy bad.
Amma, but you are heavy dude. Amma chain ostundra. It is a little bit heavier than my old camera. Okay, I'll have to leave the camera. You guys know the drill. I cannot take this camera and go already big. Already they gave me a big lecture upar security mein. They said you can't take this camera inside. I said fine, lock the bag. They're like we can't lock the bag. You need to deposit here. I said give me guarantee of 4 lakhs. So I said I'll not lock it. I'll either take it in or you lock the bag. I'm not going to leave it here unless you give me a check of 4 lakhs. Chalo, see you after the movie. What movie are we watching? Wonder Woman.
నాకు World War 84 అని వస్తుందిరా.
Wonder Woman 84.
Yes.
చేయి బాగా వస్తుంది. తర్వాత చూద్దాం. అబ్బా. पूरा खाली, literally empty.
Say hello to Wow Hair Days with the Wow Skin Science Hair Care range.
I'm not doing anything.
Wow
It's not my problem.
To get % off.
That is PVS promotion, not my promotion.
When your day starts as early as mine.
True. Charan is just saying. Oh, by the way, first we finished watching this movie, World War. Wonder Woman 84. How is the movie? You liked it?
Second half dim. First half
thoda slow hai second half, but first half is really good. Overall full movie, I think actually this is very late we're seeing the movie. This came
month,
like
I guess.
After a month, yeah. It released a month ago. Yeah, just before leaving to the trip, actually me and Shiva wanted to see this movie. That didn't happen. Anyways, movie is around 7 on 10. Second half especially. Yeah, it was good. Why? You want to give more?
For me,
I'll be honest, 7 on 10 for the movie. 7.5 because of the heroine. Arey, that guy is so good. The villain.
That guy is very
too good, dude.
Famous,
amazing acting.
So I don't know if you.
Very good actor. I don't know his name, but the negative character in this. Oh, he was just saying, I don't need the light anymore, which is absolutely true. See?
We'll know once the video is up.
It's too bright, no? Too bright. See, this is good.
There's no noise at all.
Absolutely no noise, no grain, not a single grain, even in full darkness. Okay, now I'm going to the Triumph showroom to take my bike. Finally done with the first service. Now can I rip open the bike a little? Street twin owner, pre-street twin owner.
You can.
So first service के बाद there's no limit or again 1200
It's always a gradual thing. After first service, you just don't go do 200.
200 बोल ले बंडी
Eh, होता रहा.
Okay, I'll not rip open it, but at least now
You can do.
maybe at least till 100. I've never seen how the bike performs.
100. You can आराम से go till 130, 140.
Oh, okay.
So I think the RPM you can take it to 6,000 or 7,000.
Yeah, all these
which
days
is
it
a
was
lot.
last I've gone is like 80 kilometers an hour. That's it. Now we can take the bike out like properly. Even long rides we can do. Maybe 200-300 kilometers. Also I got
Next
my
trip.
new registration plates.
Hey, number?
Today I didn't see yet. A surprise, I need to go and see. Not for you guys. I want to see it. There is the beautiful street twin. Hey, number plate వచ్చేసింది.
Hey,
Number plate ఏంటి? Can you read it?
30.
అసలు ఏంద్రా నంబర్?
number అసలు
Not at all
సంబంధం
fancy. చిచి.
నెంబర్ ప్లేట్ ఫ్రంట్ పీకేమో.
అది ఎప్పుడే పెట్టద్దని మర్చిపోయి పెట్టేసినాడు. నువ్వు అటు వస్తున్నావు కదా ఇది తీసుకొచ్చి.
But you remember we came here once?
ఇంత ప్లేస్ ఏం లాభం? వి కాంట్ పార్క్ అవర్ బైక్. రోడ్ పే లగా దియా.
బాయ్
లేదు కెమెరాలు వాట్సాప్
లాంగ్ టైం గడ్డం పెంచో పక్కగా అయ్యో
సేమ్ థింగ్ రా
చాలా చేంజెస్
same
వచ్చాయి. రోడ్ ఇస్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్ ఫుల్ ఆన్. Handsome.
కొంచెం మాకు సాఫ్ట్నెస్ కావాలి
నువ్వు కూడా మరి బొక్కల్లా.
వాడు మరి డిగ్రీలో
వాడు మరి రాయిలా తయారాడు
Oh, by the way, new camera, bro.
ఎంట్లా
This is A7 S3,
నీ కూడా వేసాను
top of the line.
నీ కూడా వేసాను ఎస్త్రీనే
That is A7 M3. S3 is like top of the line, GT line.
కొత్తది
Yeah.
ఏ చూపి
పాత కెమెరా బిస్కెట్ అయింది. Actually, that is the thing. It looks same. The body looks exactly the same. Chetu, if you want my old camera, I can give you. I can sell it to you.
డోంట్ రికార్డ్ మీ నౌ లెట్ మీ హ్యావ్ మై కాఫీ అండ్ దెన్ విల్ టాక్
Why?
ఐ హావ్ మోర్ ఎనర్జీ నేనేదో రొమాంటిక్గా మన ఇద్దరమే ఉంటా అంటే వీణెందుకు తీసుకొచ్చినారు వీడిని ఎట్లా ఎల్లుండి కలుస్తున్నాం
Okay, Chaitanya, can I take you on the vlog now? Are you ready?
yes for what
You need
had coffee
I started vlogging while coming inside. He said I'm not ready. I'm sleepy. I need some coffee first.
1 o'clock కి ఫుడ్ తిన్నారా తర్వాత అసలు ఇంకేం తినలే అప్పటి నుంచి
పని కూడా చేయలే కదా 1 o'clock రా.
చాలా పని చేసినారా
ఏం చేసినావురా?
Oh, by the way, 6 p.m. conference is here.
ఫర్నిచర్ షాపింగ్
చూసినరా ఎక్కడ కూర్చున్నావో అది అట్లా ఉండాలి
అదరా నా స్థాయి.
హెచ్పిఎస్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి జిఎన్ఎస్
వస్తాయి.
అక్కడ ఉండాలి
మరి వాడు
వాడు కెనడా వాడు కెనడా ఒక్కటి ఒక కాలు ఇక్కడ మిగతా బాడీ అక్కడ ఉండాలి
బ్రేకింగ్ న్యూస్.
no
ఇంకో పిల్లోని
secret
పిల్లోనో ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నా శ్రీమాన్.
Okay, by the way, one more trip planning is going on. This fellow is not coming, that fellow is not coming.
Full dark no.
Hey, don't worry, it will come. The Canadian is obviously gonna come. Rochi, Suju, Sharon, and who else? Inkoru vastunarra. Shiva might come. By the way, this concept is nice. Tadlesh Gattiru.
పక్కన కూర్చోని చెప్పరా
Oh, we have something very interesting here. What is this called?
It's a hot chocolate bomb.
Hot chocolate bomb. మా అయితే అన్ని బాంబులే కొడతాడు.
వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నావు?
Yes. Chichi, what is that like?
మార్ష్మెలోస్.
So basically, you pour some hot milk on it. Milk, huh? White chocolate. Milk, huh? It's too basic, dude. Okay, they pour some hot milk on it and marshmallows popped out. Interesting. But how is the taste?
ఫస్ట్ కలవాలరా.
నీ డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి నువ్వే కలుపుకోవాలా? How is it? Alright, today is the next day. I could end this video last night itself, but then I was held up with something else. But the reason I'm making the video right now is I wanted to talk about the bill. As you guys know, I share a part of my life, especially when it comes to bikes and cars and electronic gadgets. As you guys know, last couple of days I was busy with my trips, and finally I got some time now to give both the vehicles for service, the Seltos and the Streetwind. First, I'll talk about the Seltos first service. Both the vehicles, they don't do anything much except for topping up engine oil, brake fluids, and general wash and clean. Basic stuff. All this comes under free service for the Kia. Bike Pay, it's not a free service, it is a paid service. This is one thing I liked about Kia. Maybe other car manufacturers are definitely doing this. I don't know about that. Hyundai, I'm not sure. I don't remember. But Kia, I got like so many messages right from the time they've taken my car. I received Kia's driver's number who had to come and pick up the car. Then the second message I got was, your vehicle XYZ has reached our workshop at this time, at this moment. Bill estimate has been created. This is really funny. Service estimate for your vehicle has been created for rupees 0.12. Obviously this is a first service, so actually it's 0 rupees. And then next message was, work on your vehicle has started. After 2-3 hours, your vehicle is now ready for delivery. And then the last message was, your vehicle has left our workshop and is on its way to your location. You can contact the driver, his number and his name. To track your vehicle, look at this, to track your vehicle, there's a link here where it opens into a Kia website where you can see the proper live location of the car. That is double, triple, 4 thumbs up to Kia. Now हमारा beloved Triumph का service bill. This is the first service for the Streetwind, but it is not a free service, it's a paid service. None of the premium bikes have free services, never. Every service is a paid service, and a reason being, in a first service you have to get the oil change completely in a bike. Technically I don't know why, but they do it. Anyways, this is the bill. Change of oil, oil filter, washer, sealing, basic stuff, paid services, consumables. Pura mila ke it is 7,914 rupees. So first service, in case you're getting a Streetwind or any bike from 7 lakhs and above, your first service is gonna be around 8,000 rupees. Now the funny part is, 20 lakh car ka service cost is 0 rupees, and a bike that costs half of it is 8,000 rupees. Does that pinch? Humanly a little bit it pinches, but then love for the bikes can't help it. Chalo, then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.